What's up? Boy, Bitch the DJ about to do an unboxing real quick. Got my new J's in this morning. I'm gonna rock them to work tonight. I had me a long night at work, so I'm gonna make this quick. Spark up to Newport. Oh yeah. True OG Podcast Like a Mixtape. New episode is up on YouTube right now. YouTube, man. Kendrick Lamar's People's Days has been, they've been blocking me every time I use one of them joints on a mixtape. It's the second time, and last week was an actual remix of an old joint. And they still took it down, so they on it. So if y'all want to hear the actual, the original mix with the Kendrick joint on it, you can go up on the other streaming platforms and shit to check it out. We up on every streaming platform, by the way, all the way down to Mixcloud. Mixcloud, we ain't got no issues, just YouTube. Anyway, get ready to unbox the military black Jordan 4s. I got them from GOAT. I don't fuck with StockX. StockX take too long, it'll be too much bullshit. I ain't got time for it, so let's see. I trust GOAT. GOAT is pretty fast. It don't, and never had any issues with shit being fake. None of that. Here we go. And I'm planning on rocking these this evening. As y'all know, I DJ at a strip club here in Baltimore called the Ritz down in Fells Point. It's 90-something degrees outside, so gotta get it out the box now. They never gave me a small box like this. There we go. I do have a beef with UPS though. Them niggas had that shit on my steps, man. I ain't like that. I kind of sort of live in the hood, in a nice part, but I ain't appreciate that shit. Been meaning to bark on UPS about that, leaving my fucking shit on the fucking steps like that. But all right, here we go. First of all, here's the box. Beautiful. There we go. Shout out to Monster Nation for the tea. Shout out to Free my nigga AR Ab too. I know y'all can hear that joint playing in the background. In the meantime, I'm gonna get it to one of my mixtapes. Here we go. Here we go. That's my top five. This shit looks so fucking good.
What if more so because of the projects they put out? Each one of them got like a project similar.
I'm gonna be honest, I wish the 3s and the 4s started just having the Nike Air on the back. I don't give a fuck if it's a retro or not. But yeah, here's the other one. Here we go. They're definitely gonna be on feet this evening. I got them a day early, so I'm rocking my shit. Shout out to Star Life Kicks too down here in B-More.
I had other people I knew that rap, you know what I'm saying, but they weren't taking me seriously. Like, he was the only other person I had met that was like, y'all.
I don't do all that goofy shit like some of these YouTubers do. No disrespect to y'all, but all these videos y'all be making, watch this before you buy, this, that, and that. Listen, I mean, all that clickbait shit, yo, just do the unboxing. Talk about the shoe, you know what I'm saying? If you want to do an on-feet joint on your video, do that shit, because it's not going to make me click on it. If anything, it's going to make me go to another video for real. So, I love that colorway. I mean, it's simple. That's what I love about it, the fact that it's so simple. I already got my joints. I might even keep this shirt on. I don't know. I might wear something else, but here we go. Shout out to Finesse King K. That's my cousin on that beat rhyming. Yeah, check me out. Check us out. Bishop the DJ and my brother Son Brave. Podcast Like a Mixtape. We always post one up every Friday. There's one up now, probably right underneath this video. So click on that, check it out, like and subscribe. Please hit that like button too. You know what I'm saying? I do unboxings of my sneakers, which I don't do all of them. I do some of them. I got a few videos up on here. I don't make it a big thing. It all depends. Like I just got a pair of phone pods this last month, but I didn't do an unboxing for it. Just didn't feel like it. But here we go. All right, ladies and gents, peace out.